Also happening today, Google employees are walking off the job to protest sexual misconduct.
And Makovec has more on the protest happening here and around the world.
Yeah, we have been seeing a lot of pictures coming in from overnight. Hundreds of people, thousands likely participating in this across the globe. All the protests starting at 11:10 a.m. local time. So they've already started in other parts of the world. We have new video from Europe. This was in London, where Google employees walked out in the rain. And the protests started overnight in Asia. Here's a picture from Singapore posted on the Twitter page, Google Walkout. And here's a look at the flyer Google employees are leaving at their desk today. You can say, hi, I walked out for real change. And it talks about some of their demands. We'll get to that in a minute. But in a company-wide email obtained by Axios, Google CEO supports the walkout, which includes more than 200 engineers and hundreds of support employees. The final straw reports Google protected at least 3 male executives from sexual harassment claims and gave them tens of millions of dollars in payouts. And since then, Google says it's fired 48 people for sexual harassment and that none received exit packages. Well, demonstrators today are demanding more transparency on several levels, as well as equal pay and opportunity. And they also want Google to end forced arbitration, which prevents employees from taking cases to court. Kenny.